Hello everyone, I cut a 12 cm circle. I'm going to baste it and fill it with stuffing. To make the head, I cut an 8 cm circle, made a yo-yo, and filled it with plenty of stuffing. I cut a 19 cm cotton cord and tied the ends in a knot. I adjust it here to make it centered. That's right, just a little bit of glue. This little doll is going to be a keychain. I cut a 19 cm satin cord. I cut 12 strands of yarn, each 10 cm long, and tied them in the middle. To make the fringe, I wrapped it around my finger 4 times, tied it in the middle, and cut the ends. Girls, it's easy to make these yo-yo dolls. And you can make money by spending very little. You can make money using fabric scraps you have at home. Look, it costs almost nothing to make this little doll. And here on the channel, there are lots of videos of easy-to-make little dolls. But there are bigger dolls too. There are dolls with pattern templates too. I cut another 12 cm circle and I'm going to make a yo-yo. I place it right on the doll's head. Apply hot glue and it's almost ready. Little doll keychain. Using scraps, spending almost nothing. Look how cute, how beautiful. I'm in love. Guys, this one is super easy to make. And the little ones collection too. Look how beautiful. I'm going to tell you everything. Everything about the little ones collection. This is the little ones collection. The Nina has 11 cm. And it's all handmade. With the same Nina pattern, you can make Nina as an angel, a country girl, Rapunzel, a Bahian woman, a World Cup fan, a seamstress, a cook, and whatever else your imagination can dream up. The course comes with lifetime access. It's yours forever. There is a video lesson with the complete step-by-step, and the patterns are full size and ready to print. And that's not all. There's a lesson on how to make the scented doll, how to make a scented sachet for the packaging, and how to make a recycled box to create beautiful kits with the doll. Nina Pricing Guide. With this guide, you'll never lose money again. You'll learn how to price things the right way, how to put together kits that sell and make more money. And there's also a certificate of completion. Look how beautiful this is. I want to see your name here. What are you waiting for to learn how to make all these beautiful things? Click the link below and come make dolls with me. So,